Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Spotify liked songs not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before we move on to our first solution, we check if our Spotify app is up to date. If Spotify has an update, we do this update. We have updated our application, now we can move on to our first solution. Our first solution is to clear Spotify's cache files. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we go to Apps and then Manage Apps. Type Spotify in the search bar. After doing this, we enter Storage. Then we click on Clear Data and click on Clear Cache. Press OK to confirm. This was our first solution. Now you can open Spotify and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to delete and reinstall Spotify. To do this, we enter Play Store. Then we uninstall Spotify. After the uninstall process is complete, we download it again. We downloaded Spotify. Now you can open Spotify and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to download the old version of Spotify. First we uninstall the latest version of Spotify on our device. I left the link of the old version of Spotify in the description section. From there you can go directly to the download page. If you haven't downloaded APK file before, you may get in problem here. I put the solution video of this problem in the cards section at the top right. We click on download and start the download process. Our file has been downloaded. Now we start the installation process of Spotify. Spotify installation is complete. Now you can open Spotify and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.